Adrianne Lynch with the Lynch team at Real Broker, and today I have Heather Parker with me from the Parker Law Office. A lot of times, even in our industry, when we're working with families and a senior, our age children are put on the bank accounts. But it's like, this would just be easier. So he or she can access my money. They can handle that for me right now. But that makes a great point. Like, you get in a car wreck, the world is suit happy. And then now those funds that would have probably helped them even with an assisted living or something could be taken away.
Well, not only that, but it also changes the guidelines on how somebody behaves, right? If I just add them to my account, they have every right to do whatever they want with that money. If I'm setting my child up as my power of attorney or trustee of my trust, they now have a legal obligation to only do with that money what's going to benefit me. So we have a falling out or something like that, my child could just take all the money out of the account and they would have every legal right to. I would have no recourse if I just added them as an owner. They have a right to the money. They could take it all and leave me with nothing. You never know when there's going to be a difference of opinion or a falling out and somebody misbehaving. But if they were to do something like that with their legal hat on, now I have recourse. If they do something as my power of attorney or as my trustee that they shouldn't have done, now I can sue them for that. I can't if I've just added them as an owner. I've given them rights and I don't get to just take them away. It doesn't work like that.
It's not easy to take them off.
You can't.
Right? I got a house. You both have to sign and have a notary that you're removing. I'm assuming the bank is similar, that you both have to show up. Even to shut down my son's teen account when he became an adult, we both had to go.
Right.
Because both our names were on it and, remove it.
And the other sort of impact that has that a lot of people don't think about is, especially if you have more than one child. And we see this a lot. Folks will just add the child who lives closest to them or the one that, is better with the money or whatever. Well, if I've got two children and I added only one to that asset and I do pass away, so it's the bank account and the house, right? Because those are typically things that people have got. I add my child to one of my children to my bank account and one of my children, the same one, to the house, and now I pass away. That one child now owns both of those assets by themselves. They are not obligated to share it with the other child.
Wow.
And even if they want to, so even if they say, well, gosh, I want to do the right thing, we hear that a lot, I want to do the right thing, and I want to share this with my sibling. Now you've got the potential for them to be taxed on that, because now if they're sharing, it's considered a gift. Because that child doesn't have a legal obligation to share and they're choosing to, it is a gift. And now if that gift is more than $17,000, because right now we've got an exemption for $17,000 per year. If it's more than $17,000, now the giver of the gift is likely going to have a tax implication for that. Wow. So those are the things that people don't think of, right? So, oh yeah, I made it easier, but now you just made one child inherit everything and the other one got nothing.
That is a lot of information that I feel like a lot of people don't understand. All the different ways legally your fund, what your intention is. All of us own houses and investments because we want not only make sure we take care of ourselves, but our family in the future, and that we're jeopardizing that without even knowing. So if you have questions, Heather offers complimentary consults for you to come and be educated on really all of the things that we discuss over this series, so that you can truly understand what's best for you and the decisions you want made in your life, but also for your family in the future. Thank you.